Welcome to Absolute ERP, customized software solutions, as per business requirement. In previous video, we learned to create a leads from manual option, add new call. Today, we are going to cover how to upload bulk leads in CRM through upload call functionality. For uploading bulk leads, you can simply go to Upload Call tab. This is Upload Call page. For uploading bulk leads, you can download our Excel format. After, put all your bulk leads in this Excel format. First, put company name. After, contact person name. Then, email ID. Following, put contact number, expected lead amount, and expected sale date. Once you assign this lead to your salesperson, after, they will talk and classify and mention amount and date accordingly. After, you mention your source of lead, like Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, LinkedIn. This is Priority tab. Again, once you assigned this lead to your salesperson, then they will update priority according to their communication with this lead. Next, mention country, state, city, address, and requirement of your lead. After, save your Excel file and choose your file. After, click on Import Data tab. After clicking OK, your all bulk leads have been uploaded. Here, we put the duplicacy validation on mobile numbers at the time of bulk upload, and you get this option control in CRM setting. Let's go and see it. In setting, go in CRM tab. As we already cover all the CRM controls in our previous Add New Call video. If you want to know more about CRM settings, you can see our video. For putting duplicacy validation on mobile numbers at the time of upload call, you go in CRM General Settings, scroll down, then you see this option. You enable or disable this function accordingly. Once your leads have been uploaded, after your all upload leads will show in Unassign Call tab. As you see which lead I have uploaded, it is appearing here. Today, we learned how to upload bulk data through upload call functionality. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, you stay tuned with us.